everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jenisha and today we'll be making tie-dye t-shirt with using only acrylic paint. You might have this around your house, and if you want to know how to make t-shirts like these, very simple, very easy, then keep on watching.
Okay, so first thing first, we'll need a white t-shirt, and then I'm taking a fork and then I'm making this design that I see everywhere. And I did not have a rubber bands, let's say, so I just used kind of wool to tie it up. I would really suggest you guys to go with rubber band because the color did not come as I wanted because using this, but the color still came pretty, so I can't complain. So I am mixing the color in a little bit of water and then pouring it down. So make sure that the color is dark because when you wash it, it's gonna fade. So you want it to be very crisp. So make sure you add a little bit of water and a lot of paint so the color is really dark, and apply it all over. Now let it rest for 24 hours before washing it. So for the second one, I took an old t-shirt and I went crazy for this. Believe me, I went with all the colors from orange, yellow, blue, green, because I really wanted this to be like a rainbow, like, you know, crazy. We can call it crazy color, and you'll see how this turned out. Do the same thing with this as well. Keep it for 24 hours before actually washing it. And ta-da-da, this is the final product. This is the second t-shirt, by the way, which turned very colorful. This is the first t-shirt.
So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button and bell notification on, so every time I post a video, you guys know that I have posted. I post every Friday and every Tuesday and some other days if I am in the mood. If not, then I might not. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Lots of love, bye, positivity, and a big virtual hug. Bye.